Hey folks, it's Russ Fi. Today is Tuesday, December 31st, 2024. I hope you're having a great day. I cannot believe it is the last day of 2024. It's true what they say, the older you get, the quicker the years roll by. But I hope everyone had a good 2024, and I hope that your 2025 is even better. And in this video, while I'm out running errands, I just thought I would talk to you about why you shouldn't wait to make money. Okay? So many people contact me wanting to supplement their income. A lot of them want to replace their income. And then they take zero action. Okay? They come up with every excuse in the book. They don't have the money to start their own business. They have to talk it over with their spouse, which is ridiculous, in my opinion. It's not the right time. You know, there's just all kinds of excuses. You know, my favorite one, they don't have enough time to start their own business. That's my favorite one, which I did a video about. Everyone has plenty of time to start their own business. And, you just shouldn't wait. I mean, when you wait, when you procrastinate and you are searching or looking for that perfect time to start your own business, it just doesn't, there's no perfect time. You know, like they say, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The next best time to plant one is now. Well, it's the same when you want to start your own business and make money. You know, the best time to make money and start your own business was yesterday. And the next best time is now. Why wait? What do you have to think about? You know, if you don't have enough money stored away for a $500 emergency, you need to start making some money. All right? And a job is great, but that's just an acronym for just over broke. Okay? So that is a false sense of security, a job, because at any given time, your job can be, you can be replaced. All right? You see it all the time. I see it all the time. People have been with a company for 20, 30 years, and then the company just lets them go. So a job is just a false sense of security. All right? What you want to do is you want to find something you're passionate about and turn that into an income stream. That's where true, that's when you're doing stuff that you absolutely enjoy doing, it's true. It is not work. It is not work. Every day when we wake up, we go to the soap shop. We love making soap for people. We love running our own business. I love marketing. I love doing my little side hustles that I do. It just, I don't ever go to bed not looking forward to the next day. I never spend my day dreading going to the soap shop the next day. I look forward to it. I look forward to this. I look forward to getting up in the morning and doing my marketing things in the morning. Then running some errands. Then running over to the soap shop, packing up orders. Then coming back home and marketing. I just absolutely love it. This is not work to me at all. And it pays our bills. And we have time freedom. And we have the ability to do what we want when we want for as long as we want and not worry about cash flow. And that's true freedom. That is true freedom. All right? That's true wealth. The number one wealth, in my opinion, is your health. Okay? You got to take care of yourself. You have to be healthy, because if you're not healthy and you have a lot of money, then what good is all the money? So you got to take care of yourself. That is the true wealth. Health is true wealth. But when it comes to, creating income to pay off all the things that you have or what you want to do, time freedom is true wealth as well. All right? And having that cash flow coming in, that passive income, that monthly residual income coming in without having to do too much work is awesome. Okay? It's awesome. I've been in the work from home space for 18 years now. Okay? And I've been working for myself for the last 7 years, going on 7 years, since 2018. So, you know, I'm speaking from experience. I would rather have the life I live now, being able to do what I want when I want for as long as I want and not worry about cash flow, as opposed to worrying about going to a 9-to-5 job that I probably wouldn't like. Okay, I was always one of those people that had a good job, and then 2 to 3 years I'd be done because I would just get bored with it. I would just get bored doing the same thing over and over and over and over again, stuck in a little office. You know, it wasn't for me. But the point of this video is that, you know, whether it's fear or uncertainty or waiting for that perfect moment to, you know, start making money or to start your own business, you're only delaying your success, okay? Because there's no right time. There's no perfect moment. The perfect moment is right now. If you want to supplement or replace your income or get out of the 9-to-5 rat race, the perfect time to start doing that is right now. And what better day to start than the last day of 2024, going into 2025? Okay? It's not going to be easy. You're not going to get rich overnight. But you can start taking action to build a nice residual monthly income, okay? And again, you know, I can't guarantee you're going to make any money with anything. It's totally dependent on your work ethic. But I can tell you that the people that I know who are successful, they take major action, they stay consistent, and they show up each and every day. And that's it. And they accept the fact that some days are going to suck and some days are going to be great. And that's just how it goes. You know, but like I said in my video the other day, you know, success lives on the outside of the comfort zone. Anything worth having in life, especially when it comes to business or finances, you know, you have to get out of your comfort zone to make it happen. All right? Because going to your job every day, is that really freedom to you? You know, getting paid, you know, how far up the ladder can you go? You know, when you work for yourself, you can write your own paychecks. You can get to that point where you can write your own paychecks. With a job, you know, there's limitations in most every job. But when you work for yourself, when you start your own home-based business, the sky's the limit. It's totally up to you. So, I mean, you know, you can go to joinruss.com if you're looking for an opportunity. All right, I got some direct mail opportunities. I have a global opportunity. And, you know, you can reach out to me with any questions. If you can mail postcards like this, you can be successful online. You can be successful. You can start creating a cash flow for yourself and bettering your finances. All right? You can do that if you put in the work and follow what I tell you to do. Just watch what I do. Watch my videos. You'll see what I do. And if you implement what I do, you can have success. But you have to show up every day and stay consistent and understand that it's not a get rich overnight, you know, opportunities that I partake in. You just have to totally understand that. But it is very possible. It's very possible for you to start now, and by this time next year, you could be working for yourself if you take major action. And I can tell you from experience, there's no better thing in the world, in my opinion, than working for myself. Creating my own schedule, not worrying about going to a job, not worrying about having a boss tell me what to do, being able to do what we want when we want, you know, and that's true freedom to me. And you can have the same thing if you're willing to put in the work. All right, and again, you can go to joinruss.com, check out these opportunities that I'm involved with, pick 1 or 2 or 3 that resonate with you, and just take major action. When you join me, you're going to get my contact information. You'll be able to reach out with any questions. I'll help guide you. I do not do the work for you, but I will show you exactly what I do so that you can copy it. You know, like Dan Pena says, success leaves clues. You want to find somebody who's doing something you want to do, and it doesn't even have to be one of these opportunities. You know, if you're into something completely different, find your true passion and find somebody who is doing what you want to do, who is successful, and implement what they're doing. And that's the secret to it. That's the secret to it. But if you join me, you get my opportunity. You get in one of my opportunities, you get my contact information. You can reach out to me. You can call me. You can text message me, Facebook message me. I'm here to help you out and support you. You're going to get a resource page with over 80 different places that you can share these opportunities online with people. And I'm just going to be here to help you out. All right. I'm here to help you out, and I'm here to help you be successful if that's what you want to do. So that's it for my for this video. I might do a video tonight. I'm not sure. But if I don't see you before the new year, I hope you have a happy and healthy 2025. Know that you can do anything you want in 2025. It's totally up to you. All right. Stop procrastinating. Take action. And make your life better. You deserve it. Your family deserves it. And there's no reason to just settle for less when you can have more. Okay? So I appreciate each and every one of you. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.